I've been actively engaged in on ground execution for a couple of years now. So, be it malls, be it societies, community gatherings, large scale events, exhibitions, in store activations, be it any format, we've done it all. And there's one thing that I have learned about human behavior so far across all types of formats that we have been doing on ground. There's one common thing that human behavior is completely unpredictable. So there's no, recipe for getting the exact behavior that you are expecting from any kind of activity. But then there is something which I have learned recently, and I would like to share that with you all. We had recently done a campaign on Menstrual Hygiene Day. So initially, we were thinking that, the main challenge would be creating awareness or probably uh, understanding whether people are aware or not. But we were completely wrong. When we started doing the campaign, when we started the shoot, we realized that the actual problem was not awareness. People were willing to listen, people knew, people were willing to support. But the main challenge was conversation. And the entire campaign was about creating a conversation on that topic. So people were aware, they had that understanding, but they were hesitant. We had a lot of rejections while we were doing the campaign. And that led me to think that similarly, even during society activations, even during large scale events, even during activities which we do during the engagement, whether it is in store or anywhere else, it's one thing that people are hesitant to initiate the conversation. Once it is done, they come out with a lot of different things, they come out with their own thought process, but the immediate thing is to initiate that conversation and to spark that connection. So I think rather than just communication, one very important learning for me is that human behavior is entirely depending on connection. The more connected people feel, the more easy, or the less hesitant they are to converse and communicate with you. And it's rightly said, communication is two-way. So only when that connection is built, they are willing to communicate with you as well as brands. So keep communicating, keep connecting.